Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue on Interstate 40, beginning at the North Carolina-Tennessee state line and heading west into Tennessee. We're still traveling through the Great Smoky Mountains here, and trucks are restricted to the right lane. The speed limit is 55 miles per hour. This is the most scenic part of I-40 we've been on so far, and the lighting and weather was really good for most of this video. We're in Cocke County, which had a population of 35,219 as of 2016, and was named for William Cocke, one of the first U.S. senators for the state of Tennessee. I-40 is named for Troy A. McGill here and for the next few counties. Sergeant McGill was posthumously awarded a Congressional Medal of Honor for his actions in the South Pacific during World War II. We enter the city of Newport, which had an estimated population of 6,833 as of 2016. The eastern gateway to Tennessee, the city of Newport was established in 1893 and is the county seat of Cocke County. The current location of downtown Newport, established with the construction of the railroad alongside the Pigeon River, became the center of commerce and development in Newport. We conclude today's video here at exit 432A. We want to thank our many viewers who have helped support us by purchasing merchandise off of Spreadshirt.com. We have new designs coming soon. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to be notified when new videos come out. Share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.